Of course. So, shall I start? If
Yes,
you allow.
yes, you can.
My name is, as you know, my name is Deepak Maurya, and I belong to district Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh. In short,
Mm-hmm.
you know UP. I'm living in Prayagraj, Allahabad, and I have completed my post graduation from University of Allahabad in political science and international relations.
Mm-hmm.
And currently, I am a freelancer. You can say the trainer and English learner. So that's a little bit about me. Thanks for asking.
Mm-hmm. Are you interested any topic discussion? So we can discuss. Can we start our topic? Value
Yeah,
of time. First, I will
of,
narrate a short story. After that, we will discuss.
yeah,
Then
of
it will
course,
be easy for us. Okay.
of course. Okay, that's all
O-
right.
Okay. In a very small city, a young boy was living. The name of that boy was Rahul. Rahul has a habit of procrastinating. Okay.
Yeah,
So, because of this habit, he was, sometime he was not good in his studies because every time he is postponing his all the works. Then he was thinking why my marks are not good in my class. One day he got a news that in my city there is a very good saint is coming. Then he decided, okay, I will meet that saint and I will told him my all problems. I'm not getting success in my life. I will ask all the questions. Then he met that saint and he told about whole story about his life. Then the saint realized what is the problem with Rahul. Then he told Rahul that you have a habit of procrastinating. Every time you are delaying your work, you are postponing your work. That is the main problem. For this, he narrated a story. Story was like this: there was a king. The king was very good king. One day he was roaming in their kingdom, and he met his old friend. That
yeah,
after meeting his old friend, the king was very happy. But the old friend was condition was not so good. He was living in a poor condition. Then the king asked, "How is your life going, my friend?" Then his friend told, "Oh, nobody is giving me a job. I am jobless because my some enemies make had spread the rumors that I am a lazy man. I am not doing my work on my time. That is the reason." After knowing is this thing, the king told his friend, if you are coming in my kingdom before sunset, then you can collect so many gems and diamonds for you and for your family. After getting this news, he feel very happy. Okay, I will come before sunset. Then they separated each other. After that, his old friend, when he came back his home, and he told all the story to his wife. After hearing this, his wife was very happy. Okay, today we will get so many gems and diamonds. So you should go immediately. But he said, no, I am feeling very hungry. First, I will eat some food. After that, I will go. Then she offered some food to her husband. And after eating the food, he feel very sleepy. He decided that I will sleep only half an hour. But he sleep 3 hours.
yeah,
Yes, then he wake up and he saw outside. Then he think, okay, now I'm getting late, so I should run. Then he takes some belongings and he began to run. But in the you can say in the way, yes, he felt, oh, I'm feeling tired, so I should take some rest in the under the tree. Then he again sit down under the tree. The air was very air was very cool, so he feel, okay, I will take some rest. After that he again sleep. Then
yeah,
he wake up, I think 4 hours. After 4 hours, then he looked his surroundings. The sun was setting. Then he again run and go to the king's palace. Now the door was shut. Then he was again regret for his foolishness. Why I sleep? So by this story, the saint told that boy by this foolishness he missed his opportunity. Then the boy understood what
Yeah,
was his mistake. Again, he worked hard in his studies and he gets good scores. Now he is able to understand procrastinating is not a very good thing. We should do our work on the time. If we are not giving importance to our life, after some time we feel regret.
yeah, yeah.
So now I just want to know your opinion by this story.
Yeah, of course. In the life, if you want to do something great, I think so. Punctuality is a
Yes,
very important thing, and punctuality and you will have to regular. You will have to regular in your work. So, because for example, lots of YouTubers you can say. Have you seen the videos of Dhruv Rathi?
yes.
So he is now living in Australia right now. So if you want to grow in your life, as you told in the story, so we should take lesson from this story that if you are not punctual in your life, if you are not disciplined in your life, if you are not disciplined in your profession, in your work, so you will be a biggest failure in this world.
Yes.
There is
And
no,
after this, most of the person always say that my luck is not good.
no.
Sometimes
Yes,
they
yes,
always,
yes.
said this thing. But
Yeah,
I think we should focus on our work and we should avoid the nature of habit of procrastinating.
yeah, actually, there are some logics behind the human behavior.
Hmm.
So, if you want to, if actually, if you want to do something in your life, if you have vision and mission in your life, then yes, it is going to inspire you in your life. If you have if you have no any willpower, especially I will talk about willpower, if you don't have faith in your soul, if you don't have faith in your mind, if you don't have willpower and not only willpower but mental rigidity is also very important.
Hmm.
If you don't have both, then you will never be punctual in your life.
Yes, for getting successful life, we should first approach the habit of punctuality.
Of course, it is very necessary, and not only punctuality, but will you will have to maintain your discipline in your work. Am I right?
Yes, you are right. I'm agree.
So this is very important thing. If you want to grow in any field, then just get into. Don't see the word. Yeah, you can disappear from this world. You should focus on your goal. So
Yes.
this is very important. As I told you earlier on, if you don't have mission, vision and mission, these are very important words. If you don't have vision, if you don't have mission, then you will never be succeed in your life.
Yes,
So
you
this
are
is the
right.
value. So the value of time is important. But with these factors,
Hmm.
will
They are depend on these factors like punctuality. First and second thing, there should be a goal in your life. Because if you are working aimlessly, it will be not fruitful for you.
actually lots of people, 90% people of this country, so they have lots of goal. They have lots of goal, and short term goal, long term goal. But in your life, if you want to do something great in your life, so you will have ultimate goal, not goal, ultimate goal. So this,
Hmm.
it will inspire you.
Yes.
There are many goals. There are many goals in your life. But what is the ultimate goal you have in your soul? Nobody knows. Only you knows.
Yes.
So this is important. Ultimate goal. So first of all, if you want to do something great in your life, so first of all, first and foremost, it is very important. First, you should decide what is your ultimate goal and what are your short term goal.
Yes. Sometimes we are giving our precious time some unnecessary things. So I think we should avoid this situation.
Actually, we are wasting our time because, as I told you, I have no goal in my life. So this is simple reason. This is simple logic. I am wasting my time with some social media, on
Mm-hmm.
some chattings. So because I have no goal, so I
Yes.
have no goal. So that is why I am wasting my time. I am not punctual.
Yes.
I Yeah, I am not having the value of time. So
Yes.
there is, if I have no goal in my life, so the value of time is not important for me. Also,
Yes. First of all, we should make a goal in our life. And second thing, we should be punctual and discipline also.
yeah, that's exactly I wanted to say.
Yes.
So as you told in the story, I think it is my perception. So if
Mhm.
you want to value your time, then it will be decided by your ultimate goal,
Mhm. Yes.
not short term goal. It will be decided by ultimate goal, and
Mm.
nobody knows about your ultimate goal.
Yes.
You
I
are
think
you
we have discussed a lot of things about the value of time.
Yeah, of course, it is important. As it is my personal view. Whatever you think about, I don't know, but it is my personal view. So these
Mhm.
are some factors: vision, mission, ultimate goal, willpower, mental rigidity,
Punctuality, mental
punctuality,
rigidity.
mental
Yes.
rigidity, discipline. So these
Hmm.
are words, I think, very important if you want to value your time.
Yes. I'm agree with you.
So are you agree with me or
Yes,
not?
I'm totally agree with your point of view, your opinion
Yeah.
also.
So I
Because you
think,
have told so many factors like discipline, second thing
yeah,
punctuality and vision, ultimate goal, all are the necessary things.
of course. So ultimate goal is very important, and
So I
hero and
think we have convey a very good message. Today's topic, value of time, and you have given very good, you can say, good opinion
yeah,
regarding this.
it is my
And
perception.
by
And
our video, most of the learners can, I think, understand what is necessary in our life and why should we value of the time. Because if we are not giving so much, sometimes we are giving our time in unnecessary things. After some time, we feel regret. because time never will come.
Of course, of course.
Now we should wrap up this session. I think you have enjoyed this session.
Yeah, well, yes, I am very happy to talk with you, and I enjoyed a lot this conversation. And today, you made my day. It's my privilege to have session with you.